In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find travel deals in Scoot Fly. First, open your browser and head to the official Scoot website at flyscoot.com. When the homepage loads, give it a second to fully render. If you're prompted to confirm your region or language, choose the option that matches your location so the prices and offers display correctly. Keeping the site in the right locale helps ensure you see the latest promotions available to you. From the homepage, scroll down the page until you spot a section labeled Deals and Highlights You Can't Miss. This area showcases current promotions and discounted routes that Scoot is featuring. Within that section, look for the tile or button that says Travel Deals and click it. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. It's typically placed a bit below the hero banner and main search box. On the Travel Deals page, start by selecting your origin. Click the origin field and choose your departure city or airport from the list. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct airport code, especially if your city has multiple airports. Next, select your destination from the destination field. If you're browsing for inspiration, this page often highlights popular routes, but make sure you select the exact place you plan to fly to so the deal pricing applies correctly. Now choose your dates. Click into the departure date field to open the calendar and pick the day you want to leave. Then select your return date. Many deal calendars display helpful pricing cues on the dates, so scan for days that show lower fares to maximize savings. When both dates are selected, click Done to close the calendar and lock in your choices. With your origin, destination, and date set, click Search. The site will load results that match your selections and apply any available travel deals for that route and time frame. Here, you'll see prices for the outbound and return segments and, in some cases, a quick comparison of nearby dates. Use this view to assess which combination offers the best value before proceeding further. A few quick tips as you review the prices. Airline deals are time-sensitive and can change frequently, so if you find a fare that works for you, consider acting promptly. Double-check the currency display in the corner of the page to make sure totals are shown in your preferred currency. Finally, remember that ultra-low fares may not include extras like checked baggage or seat selection. Factor those add-ons into your budget so you're comparing apples to apples. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find and view Scoot's travel deals on their website.